New at 6, powerful painkillers making their way into our classrooms. Prescription drugs are being found at an alarming rate in the Lancaster County School District. Leaders tell us during random security sweeps, there have been nearly a dozen times where they have found students in possession of prescription drugs, including hydrocodone. NBC Charlotte's Billie Jean Shaw was at the school during one of those searches today, and she joins us with more on the district's plea to parents.
From the bookshelf to your child's desk, this K-9 is trained to search Lancaster County schools from top to bottom, sniffing out any contraband in the classrooms.
He's trained to alert on marijuana and hash, cocaine, crack cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine, and gunpowder.
But lately, it's not those street drugs the dogs have been finding. It's been the legal ones, like these prescribed pills confiscated from a student just last week.
Weekly, we're finding 1 or 2 cases of that.
So far this school year, there's been 27 random security searches in Lancaster County schools, including 10 cases where students were found with prescription pills and over-the-counter medicines.
Hydrocodone, things in the opiate family, things that are prescribed maybe for anxiety.
While the district discovered some of those medicines had been legally prescribed to the student, the issue is that parents aren't notifying the school nurse when their children are bringing those pills into the classrooms.
Well, you may be wondering what the big deal is if these pills are prescribed legally by a doctor. Well, the thing is, if a student is taking this medicine unmonitored by a school nurse or a parent, it could have the same effect as a street drug.
Prescription medications have become an epidemic, especially with teenagers. That can be really dangerous and cause them to go into an abnormal rhythm, which can be lethal.
Julie Emery is a nurse practitioner with Piedmont's Fort Mill Family Practice. Nurse Emery says the best thing for parents to remember is always notify school officials when your child is bringing medicine to school. Keep those pills in a locked space, even if the medicine is prescribed to your child, and never take prescribed medicine from anyone else. It needs to come from your doctor. In Lancaster County, Billie Jean Shaw, NBC Charlotte.